Hi everybody. I just got back from a successful trip to the Goodwill. I'm going to show y'all what I got and how I'm going to do this. This is part 2 of the Easel video. If you haven't seen part 1, I will put it over here. So at the Goodwill, right now all we have invested into the Easel are the screws and some that I borrowed from my neighbor. So I got this picture frame. It was $7.99 and today is 20% off. And I also got some greenery. These were 99 cents a piece. I got 3 of them. So right now we're at $11 and 20% off of that, so $2.20 off. Under $10. I'm going to unravel these and have them for the hanging down part. I'm also going to spray paint my frame. I have some hammered silver. I was planning to paint it brown, but I got home and realized I had no brown spray paint. So it's a good solid wood frame, so being out here in the weather won't hurt it a bit. It was perfect and the perfect size. I'm going to screw it on here after I paint it. And what I'm thinking is, as it weathers and the paint starts to peel, because it's Texas sun, that it's going to have colors showing through, which will only make me go for red petunias next year. But this year I got these beautiful purple. So I got 3 6-packs. I don't think I'll have room for all of them, but I'm going to bunch them in there to show you. And trail this ivy down. So right now I'm going to go in and eat because I worked up a hunger checking out the Goodwill, and paint this frame, and then I'll come back and show y'all. So I'll be back. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all this part. When I said I didn't plan for the hole, I didn't mean the base that it's going to sit on. I mean the squeezing in of the plant. Like this. So what I did is I went to the Dollar Tree and got 3 of these little pots, so I can put some in each pot and squeeze them in together. Because you can't fit a big pot in there. The hole's not big enough. So if y'all do this project, don't do as I did. I even got one of these bobber dealies from the Dollar Tree. I think it's for, oh, it's for a vertical planter. I thought maybe I could put it in like this. Like, wiggle it around. Didn't work. So the 3 little pots do fit. And I'm hoping as the petunias grow and fall over, which is the reason I picked the purple, because they were the tallest ones they had. So they're close to starting to fall over. That'll kind of hide all that. And I can strategically place my ivy. So I'll be back with my painted picture frame. There it is, guys. Now remember, it's going to get better as the plants grow and fill in. I bought too many, so I'm going to put a pot of them over here by my little sitting area, but you don't want to put them too full because they'll get root bound. So in a couple of weeks it ought to be nice and full, and then I believe I will take out the fake ivy. Right now I just put it so it's kind of like theirs, like the inspiration photo. But $10, well, I bought 3 little pots, so we were at like $9, and then 3 little pots from the $1.25 store, so that's $12.75. I'll take it for $12.75. I love it. And as you can see, I still have this huge log. It's pulled down here behind my arch. And while I was trying to find who made the original inspiration, which I did not find because it's everywhere, But I went down a rabbit hole of a bunch of other gardening things, and that was a really cute one made with logs, and I'm going to try that. But next, I have to make a snowy owl from pipe cleaners, because someone requested that on my pipe cleaner bear video, and I said I would take up the challenge, which I don't know why. But anyway, so I'm going to make that video. And then I might make a chicken wire. I'm looking at some chicken wire right now that I got free. And, you know, this channel's all about cheap, free, inexpensive, however you want to put it, recyclables. So I have a really good idea. I want to try to make a little person that can like sit at the picnic table. Or I might put some wings on it and make it into an angel. But next I've got to do the pipe cleaner bear. So I'm going to try that tonight. Wish me luck. All right, bye.